Sa senior magbayad.
Good morning, madlang humans! And rock and roll! Pati rin sa ating mga hurado. Kami nga po pala ang seniors team na nanggagaling pa sa Zone 2nd for ikatulong nga room. Alam nyo ba na ang scientific name ng seniors ay nandiditos ang talentados na mga estudyante sa Matitiwins na ang ibig sabihin ay 4th year. Kaya, 4th year, malnourished daw tayo. Yeah, this is your show, this is our time, it's seniors time! Opo, seniors, let me hear your beautiful voice!
Ang bata.
Going to beat you and you never wanna let you go. The seniors team is happy and will be beaten down. And we the seniors are here to knock it down, and we will stand you and we're hitting up to play the fight. Cause we don't wanna fight you, we don't wanna fight you, we don't wanna fight you. Cause we're here to give our best and we gotta do it. Go seniors, go seniors, go seniors, go seniors. Tayo sumayaw, tayo sumigaw, hey! Kumain ng gulay araw-araw. Bawal ang junk foods, bawal ang soft drinks. Kaya magulay na, it's showtime! Gastos ka ng gastos, gastos ka ng gastos, gastos ka ng gastos. Eat fruits and vegetables, you will be more lovable, magabon and kissable. Eat fruits and vegetables, just feed them more, body mo'y mapapa-healthy. Who's there? Vegetables too! Vegetables, I love you, I never wanna let you go. The more I think about, the more I want to eat you love. Everything we do, we eat your vitamins and we can't stand it. Woo! Yay! Buddy! 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 Tang malnourished, walang masustansyang pagkain, sa dagat magtyaga, para lusog ka, hindi bawal maharap, ang sakitin, basta't gulay at prutas, ang kinakain.
Sino ready?
Go!
Sorry ha.
Gising sa umagay, almusal na, may gulay, kahit walang pera, may kaningang gulay.
Umaasa sa vitamina mong dala, ikaw ang proteksyon sa sakit na gumagala. Gulay! Gulay! Kumain ka ng gulay! 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 Kumain ka ng gulay! 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 Kumain ka ng gulay! Eating fruit is good to you. Don't let your fruits take away, cause we need it every day. So everybody eat them too. You can do what you cannot do. Ang nagbigay nitong buhay, walang iba kundi ito. Salamat sa alaga nyo, hindi masasayang ang hirap nyo. Salamat sa alaga nyo, hindi masasayang ang hirap nyo. Sa pagkaing ama at sapat, mas tulog bang ibigay ang katapat?
Tatawa na ako sa kuya.
Thank you for the love and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you gave to me. I'm going inside with your love, trying to thank you for everything you do. I'm going inside because of you.